Low inventory and multiple bidding wars means your offer must be strong, and we're talking about that next. Hi everybody, my name is Marianne Knowles. I'm with the Jamison team at Likely Real Estate. I'm a licensed real estate agent in beautiful Tampa Bay. So for last week's video, we talked about how today's market has very low inventory, but lots of buyers are out there purchasing a home. If you're a buyer and you're faced with a multiple bidding war, today we're going to talk about the things that you need to do to make your offer irresistible. So let's just jump right in. Number one is cash and financing. Purchasing a home with cash is much more favorable over financing for a few reasons. You don't have to worry about appraisals, and you don't have to worry about any hiccups in the loan process. You can obviously close much quicker with cash as well. But if you are going to the financing option, you must make sure that you're sending in your offer with the pre-approval. I cannot stress this enough. If you don't submit it with the pre-approval, then chances are they're not even going to look at your offer. So make sure you send in that pre-approval letter with your offer. Number two is to make your offer your best offer. A lot of buyers are under the impression that they have to start lower than what they really want to offer. You may only get one shot, especially in today's market with such low inventory, so make sure that your offer is your best. Number three, you may have to up your ante with your escrow deposit. Again, your escrow deposit is your earnest money. It's showing your good faith and that you're serious as a buyer. In one of my recent transactions, my buyer went up 10% in their escrow deposit, and sure enough, it was a multiple bidding war and they got the home. Number four, try not to have too many contingencies and leave your closing date flexible. You can submit your offer as a seller's choice as a closing date. That way the seller feels more in control of when they need to move out. Number five, cut down your inspection window. In Florida, a buyer has 15 days to do their due diligence. If you submit an offer with less days, like 10 or 7, it's showing the seller that you're ready to hustle with the inspections, and it will be less time for you to drop out of the deal. Number six, write a love letter to the sellers. A lot of people are doing this right now, so if it comes down to a multiple bidding war, you might as well be doing it too. Paint a picture to the sellers, tell them your story, let them make a connection to you behind the contract. And what a lot of people are also doing is they're actually sending photos of themselves in with the contract. Pictures of themselves, their families, their pets, anything that works. Lastly, you can always offer an escalation clause, which will tell the seller that you're willing to go above the highest bidder with however much money you choose. By putting a monetary figure on this will make your offer the best since you're willing to go above the highest bidder. Escalation clauses could get tricky only because you don't know what the highest bidder offered. So if somebody offered $20,000 over asking and your escalation clause is $1,000, you're now paying $21,000 more than what you were originally planning to pay. So just make sure you understand the terms and conditions before you're using an escalation clause. So that's it for today, everybody. Thank you for watching. I hope that this helped you make that strong offer, and I hope in doing so, you got the home of your dreams. If you have any questions about today's content or anything related to real estate, please feel free to reach out to me. I'm always happy to help. We'll see you next Friday for another FYI Friday. Take care.